Slash n SVRO. Okay, go to SAP reference IMG. And then within SAP reference IMG, let's go to financial accounting, accounts payable, accounts receivable, accounts payable, supplier accounts, master data, and preparations for creating supplier data. And then first link we'll click is define account groups with screen layout. So let's click on that. So we'll create account groups. So these are the account groups, and if you look into detail, they look like this. So they have this account group, and then they have field status group. So we'll create those. So we'll create new one for our company. So new entries, an account group, we can just say NSD1. And so you can say group one, group number one, and let's save this. And let's look at the field status. So in payment transactions, there's suppress, required entry, optional, display, all those fields you can adjust. Um, the key thing that we want is company code data. And for account management, we want the reconciliation account to be required. So we'll change that to required. We save that. And then we have created, let's save that as well. So this is how you create the account group, and within account group you can create different vendors. So we have created account groups. Now the next step is to create number ranges. So we go to the same location, create number ranges for vendor accounts. Let's click on that, and it will create number range screen. And let's go to intervals. So instead of creating new, we'll just use the existing one, and because it's pretty wide, and we'll use that one. Of course, in your production system, you want to create new one, but we'll use this for ease. So let's go out. We'll use number range O1. So now we have to assign this number range to the vendor account group. So which is the next step. So assign number ranges to the vendor account groups. So go here, and then we have to look for our NSD1, and then we assign the number range. So number range of 01. Save that, and that's the transport.